Hello?
Hello, Kelvin. How are you?
I'm okay, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Kelvin. Are you done making my document?
Not yet, sir, but I'm working on it.
Oh, okay, Kelvin. I'll be waiting to see it.
Okay, sir. Once I'm done, I'll send it through your email.
All right, Kelvin. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Good day.
Thanks, sir.
Bye.
Precious.
Kelvin, why?
Right now I'm at my place.
What are you doing?
I need to see you right now.
I'm just entering something on the Akida app, but soon I'll be done.
Kelvin, please, leave whatever you're doing and come and see me. I need to see you.
But Precious, this is work.
Oh, forget about your work. Forget about your work. I need to see you right now. I told you that I want to see you.
Just wait for me.
Leave work and come because I need to see you right now. What's wrong with you?
Alright, just give me 5 minutes.
You better hurry up. Can't take 4-5 minutes after this session.
Alright, boss. There was no power. So I'll send this document around 20 hours. Precious, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm fine.
Now,
Do you have to hug me? Because you've made me upset, so I don't even feel like hugging you right
but I even told you what I was doing. Eh?
now. No, it's fine. I told you to come in down in time. Number Nishi. Nakulolela you say take first station out.
Alright, honey, it's okay. I'm sorry.
Alright.
Yeah, so how is your family?
My family is okay, but my mom is sick.
Then why are you here?
What do you expect me to be?
You're supposed to be where your mom is so that you can be taking care of her.
Am I a doctor for me to be with my mom?
Eh?
Check out. My mom is sick, but my family is there for her. So what do you expect me to do?
Alright.
In fact, let's even cut this topic. Please, let's just go. Take me wherever you're going to take me.
The rest, let's start off.
You don't change one thing, that's very change you.
Not every time. Turekura. Oui.
So
you see, blame your mama.
I know what it is.
Wow. Yala miringa nga mwalaliddemu but it's a nice shape.
Let me see it. Wow, it's a nice shape. I like it. Why, Shwaka?
Okay,
You got a choice.
Thank you.
That's why I like you. Omba.
I love you more, Kelvin. You just don't show.
Okay, see. Like in the so that we go. Okay. Okay, shall we?
Shall we?
Yeah. My guy, this time I found someone who values me a lot. Waishwa. Alampera no mchinshi more than Precious. Precious carrying body cafe 8 take most of the time. Waishwa te.
You surprised me, man. Look, I don't see the biggest reason why you are having all these problems. Because in the first place, look, Wamba respects you. You see?
Yeah.
Wamba respects you. And Precious doesn't respect you. So go for the woman that respects you. You see, go for the woman that respects you. Kuchilole kafya na papi shirimu.
Listen, kai uwapya owe nchiri muna Precious wamona te because nganaka shakaya kamuntu boita paka bemwa mumyo katikala nango wamona te ndakashita understand umiteita kashita understand kali tumpaka muntu kai.
Look, man, it's not about getting hate and whatever. Do you know what Precious does in Matauri?
No, I don't know.
So, forget about Precious. Go for Womba. Womba loves you. You said she brought you some clothes and all that. She cares about you. She asks about your family. She even cares about your job. You know, she asks you, how much does she have? Oh, shan. But you live up ule tonto manya pamwana kashoka kwa what? Stop pela time kumwago for late time for family yako. And this Precious. Tell Karisha bana na barwara bati. Exactly.
N'abarwara banyapatsi, she came to visit me and now we are like
what appointment? What
nabona